Real quick rundown on how I built this. Excuse the mess, my workbench has about 40-50 projects going on at one time. Finally getting this one done. This is for my father's birthday present. He is a avid gun nut, gun collector. He's also a Marine. His birthday's coming up. He'll be 84 years old. What I did is I found the files for these bullets in various sizes, from small little 38s all the way up to 50 cal BMG sniper rifle type stuff. Found them on Thingiverse, printed them out in a black PLA, real fine, slow processed. They took anywhere from 10-15 minutes or something like that, and this took a little over an hour. But anyways, printed them out, had them all in bags ready to go. The cabinet here, I basically built it out of some extra wood I had. Not really scrap wood, but it was extra wood. Went to Lowe's, got the sample paints you can get in little half quarts. I think they're $4 or something like that. This is the ultra white, and the black is the dark kettle black. So anyways, I went on Amazon and caught a deal on this here light strip. I think it was $12 or $13 with prime shipping. I got it basically a day and a half, really. I live pretty close to a distribution center. Anyways, comes with a 44 key remote. Has all colors and brightnesses, and you can program it, and I haven't got into the functionality of it just yet, but I'm gonna do a couple programs for my dad. I'm pretty sure he'll like that. But the strip was I think it's like 12 feet, something like that. Way longer than I needed. I only needed 1 foot. This box is about 15.5 inches wide, 3-4 inches tall. The LED strip has 3M backing on the back of it, so it just glues on down. Got the connector there. That is the remote sensor, infrared sensor. And the box is hollow. And there you can see the little programmer box that it comes with. And it comes with the DC wall adapter. But anyways, I think you'll like it. I also printed this right here. You see it's got holes in it. What that does, it'll hold the remote so I can mount it to a wall, wherever. I think the remote is good for 20-30 feet, so it'll shoot across the room no problem. I'm gonna set this up in his shop for him, kind of surprise him with it one night. I think he'll like it. I think it turned out pretty well. I used some this Gorilla super glue. If you've never tried this stuff, the brush and nozzle works pretty good because it has the nozzle where you can just squeeze it out everywhere, or if you just need a little bit, it has a brush inside too. I think this stuff is about $6, maybe $7. It's kind of expensive for a glue, but you don't need much. It has some strong glue. I'm very, very satisfied with it. In fact, I got 2 of them. But anyways, like I said, I think this turned out pretty well. I'm sure I'll like it. If you don't like it, I'll take it back. I'll put it in my den. Anyways, appreciate y'all watching. We see you next time.